Hi children, in the earlier videos we have learned some of the word problems. In the word problems we learned how to solve the given inequations, how to write the statements, everything we have learned it. Now in this section we are going to learn it some more application oriented questions in the inequalities. Okay, let us start the problem. You see on the board there is a question: a manufacturer has 600 liters of a 12% solution of acid. How many liters of a 30% acid solution must be added to it so that acid content in the resulting mixture will be more than 15% but less than 18%? Right? Now, when you're reading the question, you couldn't understand, I suppose. But if you read the question in detail, you could understand. See, he said he has 600 liters of 12% solution. 600 liters of a 12% solution, right? Okay. Now, how many liters of an acid? 30% acid solution. So, how many liters? So, we don't know that one. How many liters? So, let us assume that X liters of 30% acid solution is required to be added. So, we are taking that one X liters. Now, this X liters, what we have to do? This X liters we have to add to the 600 liters. So when we add to the 600 liters, total quantity, what it become? X plus 600 liters. I think you understood. So I have taken X liters of 30% of acid, and this I am going to add to the X plus 600. Now, so now what is given? 30% of X plus 12% of 600. Now what it become? 30% of X plus 12% of 600. When you add this one, 30% of X to the 12% of 600, what is it? The relation, it is more than 15% but less than 18%. More than 15% but less than 18%. So more than 15% in the sense greater than 15% of X plus 600. So why you got X plus 600? Already I explained you. So now 30% of X, if you add it to the 12% of 600, it will be more than 15% of X plus 600. So 30% of X, 30 by 100 into X plus 12% of 600 is greater than 15% of X plus 600. Right? Okay. Now let us simplify this one. Now what is happening? 100, both the sides will be get cancelled. So what you are going to get is 30x plus 12 into 600, 7200 greater than 15x plus 9000. Okay. Now I am going to simplify these values. Now what I am going to do, this 15x I am carrying here. So 30x minus 15x, 30x minus 15x greater than 9000 minus 7200. Now 15x greater than 1800. Now what I have to do? We have to divide on both sides 15. With 15, if you do 1800 by 15, so we will get it 120. So x greater than 120. So one result we got it. If you take more than 15%, x value requires more than 120 liters. Okay, now one more relation is given. That relation I am going to apply it. So let me write it, x greater than 120 here. Okay, now what is another relation is given? If you add 30% of solution to the 12% of 600, it is less than 18%. What is given? 30% of X, if it is added 12% of 600, is less than 18% of x plus 600. X plus 600. Now we have to do cancel. We can do cancel on both sides 100. Now it becomes 30x plus 7200 less than 18x 10,800. Now here also this we have to simplify. 18x you carry here. 30x minus 18x less than 10,800 minus 7,200. Right? Now we will get 12x less than 3,600. 12x less than 3,600. Now what you are supposed to do? This 12 to be carried here. X less than 3,600 by 12. It is 300. See, x less than 300. This is the last one. Now here we got it x greater than 120. So these both together, what you can write it? 120 less than x less than 300. 120 less than x less than 300. See how we can give conclusion this one. The number of liters of liters of 30% acid solution must be added to 600 liters of 12% solution, and which should be that quantity more than 15% but less than 18% is around 120 liters to 300 liters. Say 120 is not included, so more than 120. So more than 120 but less than 300. Sorry, more than 120 but less than 300. What do you have to do? More than 120, less than 300. So we can say that now here the quantity should be more than 120 liters but less than 300. This completes the solution.